Welcome to Soft Reviewed. In this video, I just want to show you how you can upload your videos using make.com. For that, you need a paid plan because with the free plan, if you look at it here, you can only play with file up to maximum 5 MB size. So for video, it will definitely go above like at least 10 MB or above. And yeah, with the even with the lowest pricing plan, the core plan, you get 100 MB file size. At least you need the core plan, which is around like $9 per month. Make sure that you at least have this if you are following along. Otherwise it won't work because we are using videos here, right? And we will be using the make code module. So this is the make code app, and as you can see, you get like 30 seconds in the standard plan and 300 seconds, that's around 5 minutes in the enterprise plan. That's the two things that you need to keep in mind. Even with the 30 seconds, we can upload around like a 70 MB video. I have tested it, it's working fine. And above that, you might need to go for like the enterprise plan. Otherwise, compress the video so that before uploading, the file size is small and you can upload higher duration videos. So that's our two workaround for that. So we will be using make code like this. We need like a JavaScript for that, and these are the different steps that you need to have before uploading the video. So I have already set it up, so let me just explain what's happening here. So first we need to upload our video somewhere so that Make can access it, right? So that's why we are using Dropbox. You can use anything that you like Google Drive or OneDrive. And here I have uploaded like a 62 MB video file, and this is the video file that we are going to upload here. And I have just saved that video file. If you want to see what that video looks like, this is the video, and as you can see, it's 62 MB and around 1 minute or more. So this is the video that we will be uploading. After that, we need to use the make code. This is a new module that Make introduced in order for us to run scripts. Earlier this was not possible. So if Make hadn't introduced this module, it wouldn't have been possible. That's why now we are able to do this. So in the run code, if you have not used this before, this is like a really good example for you to learn as well. We are like doing the heavy lifting here. The issue with the x.com is that it will only accept files that is 5 MB each. So if we have a long file, we need to cut that into several parts and pass it one by one, and finally in the x.com server it goes and stitch everything together, then it converts it back to our original video. So that's the process that's happening. And here in this code, what we are doing is we are getting the file as binary file and we are converting that into base 64, and yeah, we are passing in the file size and file name and converting the actual data to base 64. And the code editor here, the script that we are using here, actually cut that into several parts. So 70 MB or 60 MB video will be cut into different video files of 5 MB each, right? So we need to keep it below 5 MB so that it will not cause any error. So we are keeping it like that. As you can see, we are keeping like each chunk around 4.9 something MB, and yeah, we are passing it. Then we are starting this large file upload. We are getting that file size. It will compute the file size of the video, and we are selecting this option as a MP4. So make sure that you are selecting the correct video format. Since it's for a tweet video, in order to post the video, we are selecting the post video option here, and don't touch the rest of the option, just keep it as it is. Then just click on save. Then we need to use an iterator so that we can go around all the different files that this code module will throw out. We are passing it one by one using we are getting each chunk separately, right? As you can see, we are getting each chunks, and then the upload file part begins. It takes the media ID and it takes each and use the index number, see where we are actually in the process, and we are just saving that. And here I am using like a filter to make sure that we are moving to the next module once all the chunks are uploaded in this stage. I only want the process to continue if we are at the last file. So that's what this is checking. and I click on save, and once it checks all the files, then the final module completes the file upload using this module. And here then we are waiting for the x.com server to into a single file in their server, and we are waiting for it to be just ready so that we can upload that big single file into our x.com post. So that's what's happening here. And we are again getting the media ID in order to check whether it's successfully completed or not, and once it's successfully completed, it will automatically get posted to our profile. These are the steps involved in actually uploading our video to x.com. Might feel like it's complicated, but you don't have to worry. I will also include this template if you are getting this custom extension from my store. Don't worry about that. I will have for both Space and for make.com this has file, so you just need to copy paste this and you can start with uploading the videos directly. That's how this works. So if I go to my x.com profile, as you can see right now, this is the last post, and I am just trying to upload this media file I have just shown you. So now let me just run this and see whether it's working or not. So let's just run this. Now Dropbox is actually downloading the file. Our make a code module is actually executing it. It's cutting it piece by piece of 5 MB each, and this is the process that will take some time. Now that's successfully completed, and as you can see, it's sending each piece into like our file upload bar, and it's finishing all those different sections of the video. And the file upload is now complete. It was cut into 17 parts, and the final file upload is now complete, and it's checking whether the status is working or not. And as you can see, you can also see the quota remaining and after how many seconds that it will expire, and it's still checking whether it's uploaded successfully. And now the file is uploaded correctly, and as you can see, the state is succeeded, and we have our post ready with our video. So let's just go to our profile and just refresh and see, and as you can see, the video is just posted right now, just 18 seconds before, and as you can see, it has our text as well. This is a test. Yeah, I just want to show you guys like that is also now possible with the module. And if you are struggling to actually automate your, I hope this will help you out. And again, yeah, if you want to see how I connect the x.com profile to this custom app, you can see the video that I will link next. You can watch that video and see what other features that this custom app offers. And I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, please do share and subscribe for more custom automations and tips. Again, thank you for watching and have a great day. Click that thumb